Hi guys! May bago na naman tayong kasama sa music journey ko. Tara, unbox natin! So this guitar is sponsored by Fermata Musical Instrument Shop. Happy yarn! Alam nyo naman, last time nag-sponsor na si Fermata sa akin ng gitara. And syempre, thankful pa rin ako hanggang ngayon. Wow, may kasamang t-shirt. Meron na rin siyang kasamang strap, may cable at sticker na rin siya. Alright, dito na tayo sa exciting part. Wow guys, pink Telecaster! Wow! Thank you so much Fermata for this beautiful pink Telecaster and for supporting my music journey once again. That's all for the day guys. Thanks for watching.